Neverfail is an iconic Australian brand. Started in 1987 by Harry Hilliam, and he had a spring that never failed to produce water no matter how dry or how hot it got. And then in 2003, Amatil purchased Neverfail and has taken it to be Australia's #1 spring water cooler brand.
So the eWave Neverfail partnership started a couple of years ago when they selected us to be partners on their digital transformation journey. What that meant is we came in as consultants right through to the implementation and the ongoing management today of their solution. We were tasked with key objectives such as how do we enhance the customer experience, how do we solve some key business challenges through technology.
One of the key objectives was giving customers a greater ownership over their account management, and this meant moving customer interactions away from the call centre and into the new online self-service function.
With Neverfail, we followed our proven service design methodology, and what that is a step-by-step process which enables us to get to an end solution that's really grounded in a customer-first approach. In order to really look at and understand what the customer's challenges are facing at the moment, what are the opportunities, we do a number of things.
So the first thing we did was we looked to understand Neverfail's business, and we did that by talking to them, their stakeholders, their customers, their frontline workers such as delivery drivers. We actually had the team jump into the seat next to the delivery drivers and spend a day with them so they could fully appreciate the obstacles they were encountering. Utilising those conversations and by analysing metrics we had, we were able to identify an ideal customer journey.
Some of the key things for Neverfail in terms of improvements, we now have the opportunity to surface cross-sells and upsells in a more interesting way to customers. What we've seen that be able to do is drive the total cart size, increasing that month by month for Neverfail, and with that obviously increasing the revenue overall for the business.
What we've seen on our website is we're now delivering twice as many sales online that we were previously, same time last year. More customers are signing up online than ever before. Our subscriptions are growing, which are helping our revenue, and we're really excited to introduce a whole lot more features that will not only drive revenue for our business but also help our customers manage their bottom line. We're really happy about where we are right now on our digital transformation journey and excited about the future opportunities that we're going to be able to build with eWave, Magento, and making sure that we deliver to our customers.